PanAway is that blend of essential oils that gives you that invigorating, cooling sensation that you need when you're feeling tired or when you have muscles that are kind of bothering you. This blend is put together with 4 essential oils: peppermint, clove, helichrysum, and wintergreen. And so that means that it has a potent formula just for you to use whenever you need it. This is going to be your best friend after a workout, after a day exposed to the sun, if diluted, of course. And it's my best friend when I'm in the office and I'm just feeling tired or overwhelmed, because I apply it directly behind my neck, underneath my head, and that just gives me that little bit of the cooling, tingling sensation that I need to keep going. PanAway is really high in methyl salicylate and menthol, and these are active ingredients used actually in sports creams, but are usually from a synthetic source. So you win with PanAway because you get the benefits that you would usually find in sports creams, but from 100% therapeutic grade and powerful essential oils that are just amazing. The smell is great. It smells minty, it smells cool and refreshing. So if you wish, you can dilute it or inhale it directly, because it'll give you that boost in energy. It always helps me when I'm at the gym. Before I go to the gym, I apply a few drops close to my neck, around my this area right here. So when I sweat a little bit, it's like I have a diffuser on me when I'm exercising. So that's always great. It also has eugenol and nerol acetate, which are components of clove and helichrysum. They're super great, and some people say that this oil smells like root beer, and it actually does, because wintergreen is actually used to make root beer. So it's like kind of having root beer with peppermint in a bottle, and it's such a great oil. It's one of my favorite oils to use on a daily basis. So why should you use PanAway? Well, it has that refreshing, cooling, invigorating aroma. It causes that tingling, cooling sensation that it's great after physical activity, after you're exposed and under the sun for a while. So how do you use it? Well, like I said, I mentioned a couple of uses already, but you can use it, apply it topically directly wherever your body is bothering you. So if you've been walking all day and you need some relaxing on your legs, apply directly on your legs. I use it a lot when I'm exercising. I just said that. After exercising, you can massage those tired muscles. You can dilute it with V6 or any of your moisturizers that you prefer. A non-smelling moisturizer will be better without any scent. So you will only get the benefits of PanAway and the smell of PanAway. Apply directly in the back of your head, behind your ears, for that cooling sensation, that invigorating sensation during a hectic day. It usually gets hectic here, especially around conventions. So it's found, and a cool thing about this oils is that there's also found in deep relief, only that these are not diluted, so you get powerful benefits without dilution, and you can play with the dilution that you want with your V6. If you need more information about PanAway, we have a whole lot more info in your Young Living Central. But please comment below how you love to use PanAway. Tag those people that you know need PanAway, because you see them with this tiredness and muscles that are bothering them. And of course, share the video so that everybody can learn about PanAway. See ya.